This is a mud castle in Iran, thousands of years old, and nobody exactly knows who built this castle and why it was built. What if we told you that this mud castle is rumored to have been built by King Solomon of Israel and a team of jinns? Curious? Keep watching. Hey there, we the Trippers. Welcome to the mysterious Naryn Castle in Meybod. Located in Meybod, about 45 kilometers from Yazd, this castle is a perfect stopover between Yazd and Isfahan. Naryn Castle, a majestic mud fortress standing proudly within the town of Meybod, holds secrets as old as time itself. Hard to believe, but this castle is 6,000 years old as of today and is still in a great condition. According to local legend, King Solomon commanded a group of jinns to construct this marvel. Legends aside, historians suggest that Naryn Castle was built during the Sasanian Empire, centuries before the time of Solomon. And this makes the castle even older. Some believe that this castle was built during the Silk Road era, serving as a strategic outpost for trade and defense. Its strategic location along ancient trade routes made it a hub for commerce and defense. Architecture experts believe that builders did not construct Naryn Castle on virgin land. They find evidence of earlier architecture in the lower layers and parts beneath the northern wall and the royal quarters. Builders constructed these structures on even older remnants. Traces of burning ovens and Iron Age pottery under the mud brick constructions show this. This historic building has seen many renovations over different periods. The lower sections remain mostly unexplored or inaccessible. Archaeologists believe the upper mud brick structure dates to the Sasanian era. Strategically built on a high hill, the top of the castle offers a commanding view of Meybod and its surroundings. So, what's your take on the mystery of Naryn Castle? Is it simply a relic of bygone eras, or could there be a kernel of truth hidden within the tales of Solomon and the jinns? And that is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We want to hear from you. What do you think about the legends surrounding Naryn Castle? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.